1 year of preparation is required. That is the ideal timeline. कोचिंग करना है नहीं करना है, that is a personal decision. मैं n number of sites पढ़ता था, 2 newspaper, various magazines. We tend to focus too much on pre, too much on mains, and then suddenly. Hello everyone, I am Mudit Jain, ex-IPS, ex-IRS. In this video, we are going to discuss why clearing UPSC in the first attempt is a jigsaw puzzle. I have always held this view that there are n number of pieces in this exam and every piece needs to fall in its right place so that you are able to clear this exam in the very first attempt. On your screen, you can see some 9 points that I have written. These are the basic pieces of this exam, of this jigsaw puzzle, and I'll discuss them one by one. The first piece of the puzzle is when to start. N number of people across the years I have seen that they start very late. As per me, the ideal timeline to start this exam to start the preparation of this exam is 1 year ahead of the prelims that you are targeting. So if you are targeting say 2026, then you should start by the month of say April or May. Now this is my view that 1 year of preparation is required. That is the ideal timeline. And way back when I gave my first attempt, I kept this in mind and I gave myself 1 year of thorough preparation. Second, know the exam. Now, back in my days, the problem was of say lack of help, lack of resources. Now the problem is different. Now the problem is problem of plenty. You have n number of YouTube channels, you have n number of Telegram channels guiding you, telling you what to do, what not to do. And now the problem is that you have to select the best out of them. Otherwise, what will happen is that will lead to FOMO and you will end up watching too many videos, too many strategic sessions, and you will change your strategy every second day. So please do not make this mistake, particularly if this is your first attempt. एक स्ट्रैटेजी को सिलेक्ट करो और उसको होल हार्टेडली फॉलो करो. थर्ड, सिलेक्टिंग द ऑप्शनल. See, I made this mistake. I went by the blind advice of one of my mentors, one of my seniors. उन्होंने बोला ज्योग्राफी ले ले, मैंने ज्योग्राफी ले लिया. Without knowing whether I am interested in that subject or not, without knowing what is the depth of the knowledge that is required, without knowing the trends of the marks given in that subject. So basic कुछ criterias होते हैं optional selection के लिए कि उसके trends क्या हैं over the years. मैं कितनी मेहनत करूं कि वो मेरे को 280, 285, 300 marks दे दे. Trust me, I have cleared this exam thrice. I have seen a number of years. It is very hard to get into IAS rank without a score of 300 in your optional. So you have to be wary of this. मेरे को इस सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट है, मैं वो आंख बंद करके ले लेता हूँ. नो, इंटरेस्ट मैटर करता है बट ट्रेंड्स मैटर अ लॉट. प्लीज गो थ्रू द ट्रेंड्स. The trends of previous year performance of various subjects is available on my Telegram. You can download it from there as well. Coaching करना है नहीं करना है, that is a personal decision. Only point that I'll say is please do not end up wasting too much time in taking that call. आप प्रिपेयर करके देखो, मार्केट में सिलेबस, ऑनलाइन सिलेबस हर जगह मिल रहा है, मटेरियल हर जगह है. ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर ऑन योर ओन. अगर जमता है, इफ यू आर एबल टू प्रिपेयर ऑन योर ओन, देन देर इज नो नीड एज सच. नहीं हो पा रहा है, देन ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रिपरेशन एंड यू नीड प्रॉपर मेंटरशिप एंड गाइडेंस. फिफ्थ, बुक लिस्ट. बहुत मेजर पॉइंट है ये. सो आई हैव डिस्कस दिस बिफोर एज वेल दैट ऑन माई टेलीग्राम आई हैड created a poll of those who had cleared prelims in 2024 and 273 of them submitted their responses, and on basis of that I have come up with a book list and that is available on the Telegram and link is available in the description. So book list आपकी एक fix होनी चाहिए so that you are not changing your sources every now and then, and book list should be bare minimum, comprehensive yet concise. ये ना हो कि मैंने हिस्ट्री के लिए ही 4 या 5 अलग बुक्स पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं एथिक्स के लिए 4 बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ. यू आर रीडिंग एन नंबर ऑफ सोर्सेज फॉर से सोसाइटी, फॉर ज्योग्राफी. तो बेसिक बुक लिस्ट, रेफरेंस बुक्स होने चाहिए सो दैट यू आर एबल टू रीड देम, मेक योर ओन नोट्स एंड रिवाइज दोज नोट्स मल्टीपल टाइम्स. So rather than running after sources, go for concise sources and ensure that you are revising them multiple times. Sixth point है balancing current affairs and GS. So in my first attempt, I reached interview round, but I was not able to get my name in the final list. And the basic mistake that I had made was this point number 6. That is, I was not able to balance my preparation of current affairs and GS. मैं n number of sites पढ़ता था, 2 न्यूज़पेपर, वेरियस मैगजीन्स, इंडिया ईयर बुक, बहुत चीज़ें मैं ले आया था और फिर मेरा करंट अफेयर का नोट्स ही इतना बंडल हो गया था विच आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू मैनेज. सो माई एडवाइस इज रीड 1 न्यूज़पेपर, read 1 magazine of coaching. That is it. That is more than enough. Please do not run after sources for current affair. Otherwise, you will not be able to manage your GS preparation. 7th point is answer writing. क्या लिखना है? What you have to write as answer, that depends on the knowledge. कोई स्टैटिक क्वेश्चन आ गया, कोई क्वेश्चन वर्ल्ड वॉर से रिलेटेड आ गया, जब तक मुझे नहीं पता है वर्ल्ड वॉर के बारे में, मैं नहीं लिख पाऊंगा. Now, how to write is a different ball game. There are a number of students who know what to write and yet they are not able to write a proper answer. So please evolve answer structure. Go through various videos that I have posted on my YouTube. You will be able to get that in playlist as well. कि आंसर कैसे लिखते हैं, क्या लिखना चाहिए आंसर में, and then evolve your own answer structure and follow that. You will be surprised to know, आप अभी बेसिक प्रिपरेशन में होंगे मोस्टली, you will be surprised to know that for each topic there is different answer structure. Like for history, for geography, for society, answer structure is not same. These are only the 3 components of GS1 that I have told. For rest of the papers, the answer structure varies. So I used to have 10 or 12 different answer structures depending on the area from which question has been asked. And you need thorough practice before the mains. 8th point is personality development. Not many of us focus on this. We tend to focus too much on pre, too much on mains, and then suddenly हमारा मेंस क्लियर हो जाता है, वी गेट इंटरव्यू कॉल और फिर हमें पता चलता है यार सर्विसेज भरनी है, फॉर्म भरना है, इस बार तो चलो प्री में ही इन्होंने पूछ लिया. बट वी हार्डली फोकस ऑन दिस एस्पेक्ट एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव गिवन 4 इंटरव्यूज एंड दिस विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल ओवरनाइट. आप एक महीने में भी ऐसा कुछ जादू की छड़ी नहीं आ जाएगी कि मेरी पर्सनैलिटी एकदम से इंप्रूव हो गई. सो यू हैव टू बिल्ड इट ब्रिक बाय ब्रिक अक्रॉस द ईयर ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. अब तो आप प्री के फॉर्म में भर चुके हो कि क्या आपको कैसे पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप करना है, या आप 26 अगर टारगेट कर रहे हो, सो नो दैट यू हैव टू फिल द चॉइसेस एटसेट्रा ड्यूरिंग द प्रीलिम्स फॉर्म स्टेज इटसेल्फ, एंड यू हैव टू बिल्ड ऑन योर पर्सनैलिटी ग्रेजुअली थ्रू आउट द ईयर. एंड लास्ट पॉइंट इज डे ड्रीमिंग. एक होता है डर, स्ट्रेस, नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, क्या करूँगा, ऑप्शन बी क्या है. सेकेंड साइड ऑफ द कॉइन इज डे ड्रीमिंग. जब हो जाएगा तब ये करूँगा, वो कर दूंगा. प्लीज रिमेन काम एंड प्लीज बी अलूफ विद बोथ साइड्स ऑफ दिस कॉइन. दोनों की टेंशन नहीं लेनी है. हो गया तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो ठीक है. प्रिपरेशन पे फोकस करना है. ट्रस्ट ऑन द प्रोसेस, फॉलो द प्रोसेस डे इन डे आउट, मेक अ टाइम टेबल, डू स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रिपरेशन, गिव yourself targets for daily basis. Once you have cleared a daily target for 7 days, trust me, you will be able to match your weekly target, you will be able to achieve your weekly target. If you follow that targets for 2 weeks, you are done for the fortnight. 2 fortnights, you are done for the month, and then you have to repeat this exercise month after month. ऐसे ही preparation होती है. These are the basic pointers that I have discussed here. If you want detailed description of these points, the link is available in the description section. मैं एक webinar conduct कर रहा हूँ in which I'll discuss कि UPSC के first attempt में इतनी मुश्किल कैसे होती है and कैसे उन challenges को हमें resolve करना है. The link of the webinar is available in the description section. You can register for the webinar there. Thank you.